second segment of Go Gorgeous with Jill and Jenny, talking about something on everybody's mind after a hot summer, and that's hyperpigmentation. We get a lot of questions, so tell us what it is and what causes it.
Hyperpigmentation can be any discoloration you see on your face, and it can be a result of extreme hormonal changes like pregnancy. It can also be a result of acne scarring that lingers long after your blemishes have faded. And then lastly, the age spots that we get are a direct result of sun exposure that we all
Yes, yeah, that we've all done this summer.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you recommend we do to kind of decrease that, or?
Usually to eliminate hyperpigmentation on your skin is a two-step process. We want to actually target deep inside the cells and inhibit that pigment from actually forming.
Okay.
And then we want to take care of the surface hyperpigmentation that we see when we look in the mirror. So there's two areas we want to focus on.
So it's a two-step process. Okay. And then what do you recommend for step 1 and then for step 2?
Well, actually, both steps can be taken care of in Pigment Regulator by SkinCeuticals.
Awesome.
As a trio of active ingredients, which work synergistically in your skin to reduce that pigmentation that we see when we look in the mirror, and also it inhibits at the source too the pigmentation. So it contains glycolic acid, which actually takes care of the surface, gently sloughing off those dead pigmented skin cells.
I like that stuff.
And then it also has umbilica and kojic acid, which work internally and inhibits the pigment from even starting. So it's a great resource.
So would you say this is kind of a place to start? When do you start adding in chemical pills or photofacials? When do you recommend those?
Well, this can be used, I know a lot of people use hydroquinone as a treatment of bleaching their skin, and that should only be used in like a 6-month period of time. After that, it can be more damaging to your skin than healthy. And this is a great alternative. You can use this as long as you want. There's no bad side effects to it at all. And you can incorporate that with it just by itself alone, or you can incorporate it with chemical peels and any of the photofacials, anything like that.
Okay, to kind of enhance the benefits.
Exactly.
Okay, that sounds awesome.
So Pigment Regulator should be used twice a day.
Okay.
Once in the morning after cleansing, and then again at night after cleansing. And if you feel like your skin is dry and needs more moisture, you can also put a moisturizer on after that.
Moisturize with it. Anything else you recommend with it?
During this correction process, you have a tendency, it's really tempting to over-exfoliate your skin to try to get off the pigmentation, but that can actually do more harm than good and rob your skin of that moisture that it needs during this healing process.
Okay.
So Pigment Regulator would work great, and also you can't forget a broad spectrum sunscreen, because together they enhance the results that you're going to have amazingly beautiful skin and clear skin in no time at all.
And then correct. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And probably within 3 weeks of daily use, twice a day, you're going to see a significant change in your skin.
Awesome. Okay, well, if you have any other questions for Jill, you can always call, set up an appointment, or just hop on to our Facebook page and you can ask her there. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.